Alright, so I'm going to show y'all guys how to do a high taper. Close it. Where that C cup starts, I kind of just do like a rainbow almost, slight rainbow. I'm going to grab my half guard. I'm going to have it closed. I'm going to keep like a slight rainbow. Take it off. No guard, open all the way. Close it halfway. This should erase the line. I'm opening it up. I'm just detailing it a little bit. Put that half guard back on there. I'm gonna have it open. It's going a little bit higher. This is my one guard. I have it open. If you're a new barber too, I would definitely use your mirrors. Close it, line it up just underneath that line right there. As you can see, it's already pretty much coming together. You just have this section, so I'm gonna grab my 1.5. I'll start with it open. It probably won't cut much. As you can see, that line that was there, it looks a little lighter now, and then I close it. That's pretty much it. Now I do see like a dark spot right here after lining up around the ear. So for me, I already know this is about no guard, open, and I'm just gonna use a couple teeth, and I'm gonna do a cornering method. This high taper here. And then once I line him up here, this taper is gonna pop. So let's fast forward. Push it, peak, hey, push it, peak, push it, peak. I'm pushing back, hairlines, pushing back, hey, pushing back. Don't worry, bro. I didn't push you back, I just made everybody else, you know. But you're good. Just nice with mirror. Do some shit. Push it back, hairlines. And now when anybody who comes 6 minutes late, not only will you accumulate late fee, but you're also gonna get a pushback hairline. I should update the email and be like, right. My face ain't what you do. Alright, so we are done. I threw in, the hairline like I told you guys. It's gonna make that taper pop. So this is the final product. So comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Peace out.